Now, if you've been watching my channel for some time, you know that I'm a fan of Barina lights. I've used them in other areas. Barina contacted me, probably based on those videos, and sent me a box of 6 4-foot long LED lights. I installed 2 of them right here under my benchwork or over my 3D printing station to brighten it up. So with Barina you can see the brightness and the difference under these lighting conditions. I also installed them in my pantry. There you go. I have them sitting on each side of the door jamb and one above, and it makes it really nice to see within the pantry. Off versus on. If my kids say they can't find a can of brown sugar hickory beans, I'll say, what in the world, you did not turn the light on. Besides the pantry, you've seen me install them over there above 72nd Street. You'll find that I have 2 Barina 4-foot lengths. These are 5000K lights. They run 2200 lumens. Very bright, very clear. I think the 5000K is perfect for the layout that represent sunlight in my area. If it is too bright, you have the other options to a cool white and a warm white if you're interested in those colors. But for here and my layout, I use 5000K Barina lights. Granted, Barina did send me these lights as a review, but they really didn't need to because I'm a fan of the lights anyway, and I've shown you them before. So let's get started by well, they're installed now, but we'll back this video up and I'll show you installing these lights. When you get your Barina light kit, you'll find inside a little package that contains some parts. What those parts are is a set of screws, a little metal clip, mating plug, and you have some other wiring and cabling that I'll show you a little bit later. But for this installation, all I need is a little metal clip and the mating plug. And it's really easy to install them. I've already installed the little metal clips up here. And in fact, we'll just install the lights right now. So you just put them up. There's a little groove within the clip right here. And just give them a little push. Take your mating plug. Plug it in. Same thing with the other light. Just line it up. There's a little metal groove. Line it up. Give it a little push. Use our little coupler. Connect them. Grab our extension cord. Plug it in. And voila. There we go. That easy to install the Barina light kit. For whatever your needs are, the Barina lights come in several lengths. You got 4, 3, and 2-foot sections. So you can fit these just about any place you need lighting. Now with the Barina lights, you can see the brightness and the difference over my 3D workstation. So an easy install, and I will provide you the link down below to go to Amazon and pick a set of lights up. You get them in 6-packs and they're just under 50 bucks, about 45 bucks, and they come in a whole lot of varieties. In fact, because I'm going to cheat because I don't remember them all, but you can get warm white 3000K, you can get cool white 4000K, daylight 5000K, which I use over most of my bench work. These are super bright 6500K. They're all 2200 lumens per light. They're 20 watts. So that's a lot of light at 20 watts. Now the Barina 2 and 3-foot sections, the lumens are lower as well as the wattage because they are shorter. But they do have a color range of both. I'm going to look again. Daylight at 5000K and super bright white at 6500K. I didn't find an option for warm white or cool white on the 2 and 3-foot sections. Now that you're ready to purchase your own set of Barina lights, follow that link down below. It will lead you to Amazon and it'll lead you to the 2, 3, and 4-foot sections. And when you're in those sections, you can select the color temperature for those lights. In the end, I want to thank Barina for believing in my channel and sending me the light kit, which included 6 of the 6500K lights. Thank you very much. And again, with Barina, see the brightness and the difference. It is very bright and very clear. I just think it's a really good lighting system, easy to install, under bench, or however you want to do it. But again, thanks Barina, and for you guys, as always, stay frosty, my friends.